What's going on, fellas? I've got a 2004 Honda CRV, and I'm going to use it to point out to you the fuse and the relay for the operation of the horn, and I'm also going to show you how you can troubleshoot it. So go and pop this open. You're going to do that by squeezing these two little tabs together and pulling up on the cover. Now the relay for the horn is going to be this one right here. That's your horn relay. And if you want to swap it with a different relay as a troubleshooting step, I would suggest swapping it with your AC relay right there. Now, as far as removing the relay, real simple. You can just use some pliers, and it doesn't take a whole lot of force. You mostly just want to wiggle this from side to side while you're pulling upwards, and it will pop out like so. So that's your horn relay. There's a 15 amp fuse here, which supplies power to the horn relay. Now, in order to test the circuit, you can use a bulb here. You can bridge these two pins together. So I'm just going to push the legs of the bulb down in there to make contact with the pins. And now I'm going to reach inside the car, and I can hit the horn button from here, and I can cause the light to come on. So every time I hit this horn, it's supplying a ground to the circuit and allowing the light to become illuminated. So that's a good way of testing the circuit. And of course, if I remove the 15 amp fuse here, set that aside. Now when I hit the switch, the bulb will not illuminate. So if you are not seeing this illuminate and your fuse is good, you probably have a bad clock spring. And you can also test with the bulb, if you bridge these two together, it will make the horn go off. Of course, you've got to have the fuse installed for that to work. But this is a good way of testing the horn, is if you bridge these two pins. And actually, the horn is horn's messing up here because it's illuminating the light, but the horn's not. I hear it clicking, but it's not coming on and staying on. So if that's the case, you know the horn's going out. Sometimes if you find the horn, you can tap on it and it will make it work temporarily. I just don't know where the horn is, actually. So I found the horn. It's actually down in there. You can just make out the top of it. So that's going to be the horn. And the horn is actually fine on this. When I put the relay back in, it works. It's just that this bulb is too high of a resistance for the horn to come on reliably. So yeah, that just about covers it. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, any advice about troubleshooting the horn on your Honda CRV. Thanks for watching.